of level 8, and we started with Charleston today. This is Sander,
Yara.
and Sander is Lindy Hop right now. Let's start with the basic without the partner. So for me that means with the right hand, Sander left, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, kick, step, kick, and left step, kick, step, kick, and left step, kick, step, kick, and left step, kick, step, kick. When you partner up, you do the same thing. Use your arms still, so don't make them coming next to you. Step, kick, step, kick. Okay, then we can do a variation on this, which was the high net. So we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Go down, up, fast. Good. Then we did the kick dogs. Makes more sense this way. 5. That's it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, kick. Good.
To basic.
Yeah. Or you could repeat.
The kick at the end.
1, 2, in, out, in, back step, until you don't feel like doing this anymore. And then the last thing we did was the turns.
Yep.
Back step, in, out, out. So keep your rhythm super clear, slow, slow. When you bounce it through,
Yep.
you can do more turns. 1, 2, in, out, in. Keep eye contact. Make sure the lead is able to catch you. Keep your rotational arms.
Yep. Stay close. And at the end, for me, close the gap. I need to
Back step, basic.
another basic. That was it. Thank
Okay.
you.